Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a quick video on XRP, which I usually do XRP updates in the morning, but right now, I mean, well, most of you will probably understand, but the markets right now are so volatile and absolutely crazy that there's just a ton to analyze and a ton to make videos on. So I haven't covered XRP in a moment. Even though I know that there's quite a big community of XRP holders and traders around the channel, so I'm sorry, all right? We're covering it again, and if you watch my videos, I mean, you could have made some profits because, well, to start off with a brief introduction to what I've always said, is that XRP was, for a long time, actually pretty weak, all right? So it was consolidating here in this area. So that's between 59 cents, let's say, and 63.5 cents. So what I always said is that this is a consolidation, and with a consolidation, usually you're waiting for a breakout. And given the market circumstances and given the fundamentals, which I think are still great for XRP, there are quite a lot of people who disagree, but I still think there are good fundamentals. Especially when it comes to institutional investors. But that's why I said at some point of time, we're going to break above 63.5 cents and rally up to these tops around 67 and 68 cents, I think I said. But ultimately, we reached 70 cents again already. So yeah, that is where we are right now. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what's most likely now. Obviously, we have this wick right here all the way up to 75 cents. Wicks tend to be filled. That's a bit of a risky strategy, but this was after some news we got about a potential XRP ETF, right? So you could say, well, ultimately, like long term, I think an XRP ETF is coming. So long term, I am bullish on XRP, but short term, I mean, it's different than the spike that Bitcoin had, because Bitcoin obviously filled the wick. But with Bitcoin, we actually did have ETF proposals, and with XRP, we don't. So ultimately, I am still bullish, but I am a little bit less bullish on XRP. I mean, I've just been, it has kind of betrayed me with this consolidation. I mean, XRP, obviously in October and November, it has been very strong, but since then, it hasn't really reacted to Bitcoin's bullish momentum until this last move. Now, if you look at the open interest over the last week, over the last day, it's been pretty stable, but it's the weekend, of course. But over the last week, open interest has increased quite a bit, from the low at around 615 to the high around, well, let's say 770. So there is more momentum coming in for XRP, all right? So I think fundamentally XRP is bullish. But what we now need to see is a breakout, all right? There's major support right here between 66 and 67 cents. What I need to see is that XRP finds support from that level, which it has already partially done, but maybe it needs to spike down a little bit lower to grab some liquidity. But it needs to find support there and then break above 70 cents. If it's able to do that, I expect a rally up to 75 cents, and then we'll see again from there. I'll try to keep you updated as well as possible, but that's what I need to see. And whether I think that's most likely, I would say yes. I think it's most likely XRP will drop down a little bit first. So let's say to this level between 65 and 67 cents, then grabs liquidity from that level, and then eventually somewhere next week, or maybe even Monday already, break above 70 cents and rallies up higher. I think the only thing that could happen, which could invalidate this, is if unfortunately Bitcoin really drops down to like 42,000. If that happens, I still think XRP at some point of time will break above 70 cents, but then it will take quite a bit longer and probably some more consolidating, etc. So those are my thoughts. That's my update on XRP. So if you do have any questions or anything, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.